Welcome to valsquicktips&tricks cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार माझ्या cooking channelaचेर. So today I'm going to show you all some Zereo in English. It is called Zereo, and it's some cucumber family. These are like cucumber tree family. And in Konkani it is Bimla or Bimbli. Okay, it is sour in taste, tangy and sour. So today I'm going to make curry out of it. And it's like Bimbli Sorak or Bimla Sorak. So Sorak is plain curry. So I will be adding in a Sorak Bimla. So I have taken about like these were like 25 rupees in the market. Planning to plant a tree. Let's see when we will get. And so how much you want you can add. So I will be adding for one whole coconut around 20 pieces of bimla. Then we need around 5 Kashmiri chilies to grind, one half onion, 1 chili, 4 Goan button chilies. Then we need half onion, little bit of tamarind, 1 whole coconut, the smaller one whole coconut, grated coconut. This is 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and this is like around 5 flakes of garlic. So we have to grind these all, and the chilies. So this we have to cut in fine. Wash it nicely, cut in fine, and this we will grind. Add little bit of water and grind to fine paste. So now this is the finely chopped onion. Then this is our bimli, and we will add our fat salt. That is Goan rock salt. Very little, and we'll muscle this all. So rock salt, you can use normal salt. Rock salt is very salty, okay. So 2 more. And now we will add our masala to this. And add in this. We'll add some water to this. Mix this all nicely, and now we will add some water. 1 cup of water. Mix this, and we will cook this for 10 minutes. Once the onion is cooked, bimli will be cooked fatafat. तर हेका आतां आमी शिजोवंक दवरया. See the thickness, the salt and everything we have to check. So we need little bit of water. Little bit of water. More to this. So another half cup. Chalo. Let's now cook this. See the color and the aroma, I can't tell you, but when you make, you will realize what I'm saying. It's yummy, delicious. Just when you don't want to have anything, just this Bimbli Sorak rice and some pickle. That is amche chepne chetor. Lovely. So once this boil comes for our Bimbli curry, that is Bimbli Sorak, we will cover this and cook this for 10 minutes. So we'll add little bit of salt and then Bimbli Sorak is ready. Done. Mix this and yummy, delicious Sorak of Bimbli is ready. So try this and enjoy. As I have said, it is very tasty. मानता तुमकां हे सगल्यांक आवडटले आनी तुमी हे करून खातले आमचे बिमलांचे सोराक. Thank you. देव बरें करूं.
And here it is, the lovely Goan Bimbli Sorak without oil. Yummy, tasty Bimblis, garnished with some parsley, homegrown. Enjoy.